So this thing needs a waft there, and I'm suspecting that it's got an exhaust leak. So I'm going to check that out before I take it in for a waft. Right, so our problem is somewhere along this line here. So I'm going to undo those two bolts, undo that bolt, undo any other bolts that are holding it on, and ship it off. Bugger. One bolt left. Since I'm not hugely fond of an exhaust folio on me, I'm going to use that. Right, so here's my exhaust. I believe that somewhere in here there's a hole. That I think's our problem. That weld all around there's cracked. Single must say it's not sounding good. Update. I'm going to head over to Nico's to weld up the big crack in the exhaust. Hopefully that'll make it look good. I'm going to take Terry with me, we're going to do some shopping while we're out. So yeah. Today is tomorrow, and I successfully welded up my exhaust, as you'll see now. See if I can show you the filthy welding I've done here. Up on top of here. You can see that. Got some primer on it. And yes, I got that welded up at Nico's, and I fitted it over at Mate Owens. There's a very loud drive over there with only my extractors on. I think I'm half deaf now. But this morning I took it in for a waft, and yeah, she passed with flying colours. But I went to the exhaust guy, he quoted me $180 to fix that part of it, and said I probably need a new set of extractors. And they're $320, that's $500 to fix my exhaust. So, I said fuck that, I'll do it myself. But it's a long-term project. I've got a spare panel, this panel here, for this side of the car lying around somewhere. It's got a big dent in it there. Leave a comment what you think I should do with it. I want to do something stupid and fuckwitty. So leave your ideas and I'll look at them and I'll do the stupidest one. Cheers to Nico for letting me borrow his welder for the price of a beef and onion barbecue sauce pizza and pizza up for $5. That was pretty mad from him. And cheers for Owen for putting up with my loud noises and helping me install the exhaust. But yeah, thanks for watching the vlog of my exhaust. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button and subscribe to see more horribly shit content like mine. So yeah, see you later.